Hi guys, and welcome back to my Unreal Engine 5 beginner tutorial series. If you haven't watched the previous parts, make sure you do watch it. It's in the playlist this video is contained in. You can find it on my channel. And today we'll be talking about enumerations. So an enum or an enumeration is pretty much just a list of various items which you can contain. So let me just show you. So if I just delete the one I just created, actually we'll just create a new one. So we'll just right click, go to blueprints and create an enumeration. You can create one in C++ as well, but I won't be going over that. So let's just call it test enum. So when you open this up, it'll give you an option to add enumerators. So basically these are the items which you have inside your list. So if we add 3 items, and just for an example, let's just take categories of food items. Maybe let's say fruits, maybe vegetables, and other maybe. And now what you can do is you can head into any one of your blueprints, then you can go to your variables section, and then let's say we have something like food type, and we drag this in. Before we do that, in our variable type, you can change it to our test enum or whatever you have named your enum. You can compile that, drag that in, and then this is going to give this variable with this dark green kind of shade. So what this will allow us to do is actually get each of these values first of all. So this by default contains fruits, but you can set it to vegetables or other. So the kind of operations you can do with this is a switch. So let's say you had some sort of decision making. So depending on the value of this enum, you can run specific actions. So let's say wanted to print 3 different things. You could do this. So let's say you want to do hi, hello, and bye on these 3. You could do that as well. And another important thing, another useful operation with enums is select. So if you drag and type in select, you see you get this block with these wildcards. So you can plug this into any data type, and depending on the value of this enum, it's going to select one of these and return it over here. So let's say I type in 1, 2 and 3 just to keep it simple. So if the food type is fruits, the return value of this is going to return 1. If the food type is vegetables, the return value is going to return 2, and same for the other. It's basically the same thing. Another thing that you can do is loop through them. So if you type in for, or actually you don't need to drag off of that. So for, we named it test enum, right? Yeah, test enum. You see that you have a loop which goes through all of your enum values or your enumerators. So where this will be useful is, let's say you had like a weapon selection menu and you had like a drop down list. So you could have weapon names stored in an enum, and then you could loop through those. So it's pretty easy to retrieve any one of them and maybe like display an icon based on the value. So you could again do a switch, or you could have like a widget. So you could create a widget, expose a variable on spawn and drag this into the widget. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is just basically how you'd use enums in your game in Unreal Engine 5. And stay tuned for the next part, guys. We'll be doing the multiplayer series, and soon I'll be launching a playlist for a multiplayer first person shooter game. So make sure you guys are subscribed for that, and make sure you guys hit the bell icon and join my Discord server. That's where I'll be answering all the questions, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.